Welcome friends, it's time to play. Join us here, hip hip hooray. Learning's fun, so come along in the kids fun time so you can't go wrong. Jump in here, sing out loud, let's have fun, we're a happy crowd. Games and stories, laughter too, in the kids fun time so it's all for you.
Hey friends, welcome to the Kids Fun Time Show. I'm your host Rajan. Today we're going to have fun and we're going to learn new words, count numbers, and discover animal sounds. Are you ready to have fun and learn? Let's go! Now let's hear from our teacher, Miss Muffet.
Hello students, I am Miss Muffet. How are you feeling today? Good. Let's learn some new words. Look at this picture. What is it? It's an apple. Can you say apple? Oh, apple. Say it. Apple. Good job. Now look at this picture. What is it? Ball. Can you say ball? Ball. Ball. Say it again. Ball. Good job. Now look at this picture. What is it? Cat. Can you say cat? It's at. Cat. Say it again. Cat. Good job. Now look at this picture. What is it? Dog. Can you say dog? Dog. Dog. Say it again. Dog. Good job. Now let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now let's do some shapes. Can you recognize these shapes? This is a circle. A circle is round. This is a triangle. This is a square. And this is a rectangle. Great job! You guys were amazing today. Okay, kids, I'm Miss Muffet. I hope you had fun learning with me today. So I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
The song of the tune's music begins. Blast off into the stars, come join the ride. Blast off into the stars, come join the ride. As space explorers, we'll travel far and wide. We're the space explorers, brave and bold. With our shiny rocket, let the journey unfold. Through the galaxy, we'll zoom and fly, discovering new worlds as we reach for the sky. Space explorer, reaching for the stars. Traveling through the universe, we'll go so far. With planets and comets, we're on a quest. In this vast cosmos, we'll do our best.
Welcome back, friends. Thank you, Miss Muffet. Now it's time to learn about outer space. Now I'm in my beautiful spaceship and my spacesuit. Now let's learn some fun facts about spaceships. Let's go. The first spaceship to carry a human is called Vostok 1. It took Yuri Gagarin, a brave astronaut, into space in 1961. The fastest spaceship is Mrs. Parker's solar probe. It super fast. He can go 430,000 miles per hour. That's faster than anything on Earth. The International Space Station, or ISS, is like a big house in space, where astronauts live and work. It orbits the Earth 16 times a day. Reusable rockets. SpaceX makes rockets that can come back to Earth and be used again, just like the toy car you can play with over and over. Voyager 1, this spaceship is the farthest one from Earth. It's exploring space beyond our solar system, and he even has a special record with sounds and pictures from Earth. Now let's talk about the planets in our solar system. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, it's super hot during the day and freezing cold at night. Venus, the hottest planet, it's covered with thick clouds and it's volcanoes everywhere. Earth, that's our home, is the only planet with water, air, and life. Let's take care of it. Okay? Mars, the red planet. Scientists think there might have been water and maybe even tiny areas there long ago. Whoa! Jupiter, the biggest planet. It has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot that's been spinning for hundreds of years. Saturn, a planet with beautiful rings made of ice and rocks. It's like a giant space hula hoop. Uranus, the sideways planet. It spins on its side like a rolling ball. Neptune, the windiest planet. Its wind can blow faster than a jet plane. Pluto, a tiny dwarf planet at the edge of the solar system. It's so far away that it's always cold and dark. And those are the 9 planets of our solar system.
Welcome to the magic forest, come along and see a land of pure enchantment where we can all be free. We're the fairies of the magic forest, dancing in the flowers, spreading joy the most with a sprinkle of our magic dust. We make everything bloom, it's a must. Magic forest, where dreams take flight, where laughter and adventure fill the night. With friends all around, let's explore and play. In the magic forest, we'll dance the day away.
Hi, dear friends. Now we're going to visit the rainforest and visit my friend Sammy the toucan birds. Toucan have the most amazing beaks. Their beaks are super big and bright, with colors like orange, yellow, green, and red. Even though their beaks look heavy, they're actually very light because they're made of a material called keratin, the same thing our fingernails are made of. Amazing! Toucans live in the rainforests of South America, where it's warm and full of cheese. They love to hop and fly from branch to branch looking for yummy fruits to eat. Toucans are mostly fruit eaters. They use their big beaks to pick and eat fruits like bananas, berries, and mangoes. Sometimes they also eat insects, eggs, or small lizards. Toucans have the strong feet with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backwards. This helps them to grip tree branches tightly so they don't fall while climbing or hopping around. They're also social birds. Toucans love to hang out with their friends. They live in small groups called flocks and make funny sounds.
Rock, rock, talk, talk. Yes, hey Benny. Welcome to the rainforest.
And that's all for today. And I hope you enjoyed yourself hanging around on the Kids Fun Time Show. I'll see you next time. I'm Benny. Bye.